guys, this is our latest generation 3 10.25 Android multimedia player for the BMW F30. Okay, on this car we even had the M Sport steering retrofitted to this car, right? And yeah, back to this player. It's basically got the same functions, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and if you realize over here, it's actually 4G. It has 4G capability, so you can actually put a data card over here to actually to use data on the go. Instead of tethering to your phone, you can actually browse the internet, everything through this unit itself. And well, over here you can also see the instrument cluster screen on the player itself, on the Multimedia Player. And this car we also installed the hidden DVR here, over here. The video recorder camera. You can only see it over here, yeah, with the light on. And we also have one at the back. This is the only player in the market that has full HD capability for the front and back, full 1080p 1080p, yeah. Okay, and we can actually view it on the screen over here. This is the one. Okay, so we have this is the front and that's the rear. Okay, on top of that, and you can also use Wi-Fi through your phone to actually view what's being recorded in the DVR. So the rest of the things are pretty much standard, the Android apps, and you also can have your Waze and YouTube being displayed on the screen. And you can, if you have the data card being installed in it, you don't need to tether to your phone to run Waze or anything else that uses data. Okay guys, it's basically the same, just a quick walkthrough for you. You see the installation is very, very neat. It's like original, and the best part is you actually retain your original function from the car itself. Okay, you can also check all your vehicles information, everything, status, your last service, engine oil, everything is there. You know, you can actually check your service record, service history. It's all here. Everything is being retained. And the other thing is the better part of it is the sound system is actually better. You know, on this unit now, you can also zoom up the menu, so you can also watch like videos, and the sound is actually pretty fantastic. You know? Let me crank the volume up. Yeah, and the music is good, and the sound system is so much better than the original. You can also do Bluetooth, and you can also put a SD card inside. And this unit itself has 3GB plus 32GB, 3GB RAM plus 32GB ROM, so that you can download 32GB worth of data apps. Wow, that's a lot. Okay guys, I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.